In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp to Asana. We'll start in ClickUp and finish in Asana, moving your tasks with a clean, reliable CSV. Open ClickUp and sign in. If you see the Continue with Google button, click it and choose the account you use for your workspace. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and click your workspace name to open the menu. From there, head into Settings. This is where ClickUp keeps tools for moving data in and out of your workspace. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Imports, Exports. By default, you might land on the import side, so switch to export. Now choose the exact location you want to export from. You can select a space, a folder, or a specific list, depending on how granular you want your export to be. Picking the right level here ensures you only export what you need, which makes the Asana import smoother. When you're ready, start the export. ClickUp will generate a downloadable file, typically a CSV or a zip containing one or more CSVs. Wait for the export to complete, then click Download Export and save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated migration folder. Keep in mind that attachments and automations don't transfer through a CSV. You'll migrate tasks, fields, and dates, and then reattach files or recreate rules as needed in Asana. Now switch over to Asana. Open the project where you want this data to land, or create a new one if you prefer a clean slate. In that project, use the CSV importer. You'll be prompted to upload your CSV file, so select the export you just saved from ClickUp. Asana will show you a mapping screen where you match each column from your CSV to an Asana field. Map the task title to name, long text to description, and dates to due date or start date. Assign the S&E column if present, and map status to a custom field or to sections depending on how you want your workflow organized. If your export includes parent or hierarchy information, map it to subtask of when available to preserve structure. Tags, priorities, and custom fields can be mapped to existing fields or created on the fly. Asana will offer to generate new custom fields during this step. Review the preview carefully to confirm things look right before proceeding. Start the import and let Asana process the file. When it finishes, scan your project to verify tasks, dates, and owners look correct. Tidy up any mismatches, adjust custom fields, and you're done. That's the full export from ClickUp to Asana using a CSV pipeline.